can see there, we got that leak going on right there. Okay, in this video, we're going to do a quick update on the rattling noise and the leak. As you all know, before, the sound was like this. And now it's like this. And so what was going on with the rattling noise, it was the idler pulley. And so now, like I said, it's real smooth, real clean, no sounds or anything like that. And when you do research on it, it's usually around that 100,000 mile mark that you're going to end up having some problems with it. But I'm like over 120,000 miles. And so, you know, that's pretty good. Okay, so the price for the idler pulley being replaced was $496.85. So that's where we are so far with the pulley cost. And the leak was like this. And now what we found out with the leak was they cleaned everything up really well, and we're just trying to identify the leak. We think it's the vacuum pump that's leaking. And so what we did was they put, well, not we, but the guy, he put some dye in there, but we're already getting a sign of a leak from the vacuum pump. So this is just a quick update, and I will keep you all updated with the vacuum leak. You know, hopefully it's just a gasket or seal to get that taken care of. One individual said that it was the turbo. Hoping we don't have a issue with the turbo. So yeah, I'm just throwing this out there for everyone as I'm on this journey to get this bad boy fixed. I should know more tomorrow. A lot of the shops are just packed right now. So thank you all for the suggestions and the comments. I'll keep you all posted. Safe travels out there, fellas. And, you know, make sure you're maintaining your vehicle. Anytime that you hear something, jump on it. You know, look out for those leaks, because you don't want to end up having, you know, a bigger problem, a bigger issue. And that's what we're trying to avoid. So this is just a part of the preventative maintenance game. And like I said, we'll know something here shortly on that leak, and I will update you all on that. So like I said, again, safe travels.